Continue separation of poles. In separation of poles, you see, suppose you have cylindrical magnet having two poles north south. Now you cut it and convert it into two parts. Again it is divided into two poles north and south. Automatically it will be divided into two poles, you see. So magnet has always the property of two poles. You see here, when we divide one magnet into two parts, it has north and south pole. Each part attains north and south pole. Again this piece of magnet divided into two parts. Again it has two poles, north south, north south, north south, north south, right? So a magnet has always two poles, north and south pole. Here you can see repulsion and attraction. Opposite poles attract to each other. You see south, north, north and south, here south and north, opposite pole. North south pole attraction happen and same poles repels to each other. North north or south south. Okay. So this is very important property. When opposite poles are there, you can find attraction, and when same poles are there, you can find repulsion. North north, south south, same pole. North south, south north, opposite pole. Here you can see when opposite poles are there, magnets attract to each other and join. Same poles are there, two magnets, they are far away from each other, they do not join, means repels to each other. Next point, we can prepare magnet. How can we prepare the magnet artificially? Here is the process. The process of making magnet substance into magnet is known as magnetization. Here you can see the person who has iron bar, and that iron bar having that light pink color, and the magnet the person's hand it is there. Now he is rubbing the magnet from one direction to unidirection only, right? So he has starts to move. You see here the arrow is there. Okay, so you have to rub in one direction only, correct? He is rubbing the this magnet is rubbing it on this iron bar in this direction. I see. You can also prepare the magnet by using original magnet. So if you rub 5 minutes, 5 minutes in one direction, right? After some time, you take that small pin, right? So it will be attract towards that iron bar. Okay. So you can prepare the magnet by using original magnet, right? Rub continuously till 5 minutes. After that, you will get the properties of magnetisms by attaching that iron pin on the both the side, north pole and south pole. Now the next point, how to preserve the magnets, means you cannot heat the magnet. By heating, magnetism will be destroyed. In another figure, by striking with the hammer, magnetism also destroyed, means demagnetization. You can keep long time magnet like this way. You see bar magnet use two metal plates and one wooden block. arrange them as shown in figure. You see here, see very carefully, north and south, one bar magnet is there. So other magnet, this is wooden, that wooden plate, and a wooden block is there, yellow color, and here metal plate is there. So north south, now another magnet you have to keep south north, means both the poles should be opposite, like this way you can keep. Otherwise, if you keep north south and here is also north south, your magnetism will be destroyed. Okay, so you have to keep the magnet like this way. This is the correct way to keep magnet for preservation for long time. Okay, so north south and other magnet should be south north, like this way you can keep it for long time. Now uses of magnet: holding the things on your refrigerator, you can use the magnet. Credit card magnetism is used. Computers, magnets used. Electronics, toys, magnet use. Compass, magnetic compass, we can use magnet, and many more. Now you can look from the figure from textbooks. You can see here ABC, magnet with a many ion fillings, few ion fillings and no ion fillings sticking to it. Right. So you see that magnet, when you do with that iron powder, you can find the area where more iron powder stick to it. In which area? So more and more iron powder you can find it stick on its ending area, means north and south pole. Here we have to keep many precautions with some our devices that we use in our daily life. That is, you see, television, tape recorder, CDs, right, pen drives. We do not keep magnet with or bring nearby television or tape recorder or CD or ATM card. Why? Because whatever the inside that this magnet it damages television also, keeping long time when you have to keep the magnet besides with the television or the tape recorder or that CDs. Whenever CD may be damaged, TV may be the corner of the TV tube may be damaged, right? So you have to move away these all magnetic devices from magnet, correct? So when you keep long time this pen drive with the magnet, then whatever the data which is stored in the pen drive, it may be lost, correct? Similarly, do not keep TV nearby this magnet. Similarly, CD also, whatever the data is there, important data, it may be damaged from it. Mobile also, do not keep nearby the magnets. So you have to be very precautions when you use magnet. Student, another use of the magnet also in medical science, right? You can find magnetic therapy. You can find the वो माला, वो magnet की माला पहनते हैं, right, to control the pressure. Why? Because in human blood iron is there, right? So when you wear certain type of magnetic therapies, magnetic therapist means you have to contact the doctor, and as per their advice you have to prepare magnetic mala that you can prepare in your neck or in your hand. You can wear that magnetic mala, right? It is also used in that MRI, magnetic resonating image, बराबर? कोई पर्सन्स को हेड में लगा, हेड में इंजरी हुई है या बॉडी के अंदर के पार्ट के अंदर इंजरी हुई है, राइट? So at that time, if you do not find proper diagnosis, so at that time MRI is the best option. So when you do MRI of that particular injured area, you will get immediately know what is an exactly the location of your that uh, disease, or in whichever part the damage is there in our body, or in head part, head injury. So MRI is the best options to diagnosis, right? That name is magnetic resonating image. Okay, so we have seen the medical use also. Now you can see, keep the magnets away from the cassettes, mobile, television, music system, compact disc and computer. Just now we have discussed. So here this chapter is over. Okay, next time we will see the notes and extra videos of these chapters. So till then, have a nice day. Goodbye. Students, here I am giving the instruction that tomorrow will be your mathematics that periodic assessment test is there, right? So in that test, grade 6 chapter decimal, they will ask question from this decimal chapter, like that questions: compare decimal fraction, understand decimal hundreds, compare decimal fractions, right? Convert into decimal fraction, simple into decimal, solve addition, subtraction, sum, solve practical puzzles. Okay, so please be prepared, and that exam is compulsory. Okay, and notice will be there in that group. You see, you have to submit your this paper that you have to write down in notebook, right? And you have to submit it on, either you can prepare the supplementary and write down that paper, 25 marks paper, submit on 4th, right? 4th January. Okay, submission before 4th January you have to submit me, right? Okay, thank you.